Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really cool HDMI transmitter and receiver combo pack that actually allows you to take things off of your computer and maybe put it on an exterior display, and it's done super easy. And I wanted to show you real quick how we do that. It came in a nice box like this, and everything that's in there was included that you need to hook it up. They've got the RX, which is the receiver piece, your TX is the transmitter piece, and they do also send you with several other adapters that can hook into the HDMI piece to transition that down to some different ends as well. Also comes with a quick instruction guide, but it's super simple. Let me show you how to hook this piece into the TV. On your TV, you're just going to simply locate the HDMI port. We're going to get that plugged in, and then you're going to have to use the power supply here. It's this USB-A to USB-C piece. It's going to plug in and just find an empty spot to plug that in. That will then power on this piece here. That's powered up. Next, you're going to take this transmitter piece and simply plug it into an HDMI receiver on your laptop or desktop PC. That's going to power this up. It's going to take it just a second for it to register. And then on your computer, we're just going to simply select that we want to mirror the screen. And then as you can see up on here, we've actually got it mirrored. This is a 1080p resolution, and it works at 60 Hertz, and it can also work down from there. So it actually has a crystal clear display. You can then type anything you need to, search anywhere you need to on here, and anything that I do on this will mimic that. You can also use it as a screen extension, so if you didn't want to do a mirrored display, you can extend it to have your screen be an extension of that as well. So this doesn't just have to work on TVs, you can use the receiver piece on another monitor or something to basically expand out your desktop area. So really cool product, super easy to put together, and it seems to work extremely well.